Good morning, everyone. Follow along with me as I tell you about my website and show you around a bit. The purpose of my website is to establish my e-presence and to make my services available to the general public. My main audience is anyone who has a website that is broken, out of date, or just plain ugly. From e-commerce to entertainment, I can cover it all. My original graphics and logos, as you can see here, I have my logo has my company name, and it has the website building and repairs, what we do. It has a brick and mortar theme, which ties into what I do, which is website building and repair. I actually chose the brick and mortar. I was inspired to choose that because I had a previous life as a bricklayer before I joined the Army so many years ago. The original graphics here is a picture that was taken by my wife while she was touring through Denali National Park in the state of Alaska. She was touring with her sister while I was on deployment in Trashcanistan. I chose this picture because it exemplifies the outdoor activities that we participated in. We went, salmon fishing, we did overnight charter fishing, went camping, and even went into up to Chena Hot Springs. Got in the hot spring when it was 105-degree water temperature and negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit air temperature. It was a blast, and I highly recommend it. One day, actually, I think I would like to go back to Alaska because as much as I really like Texas, there's no competing with the Alaskan outdoors. It's just beautiful there. I even like the cold, so yeah, All right, so I want to tour of my website. On my homepage, I really don't have much. So I've got the button here to find out more. Of course, on the bottom of on the pages is to contact us. Click on find out more, and it takes us to our services page. And it goes into a little bit more detail as to what exactly I offer. I offer website design, website repair, hosting services, and e-market support. Of course, there's a little bit of blurb under each one. Goes into more detail. On my next page, why choose us? A few little sentences about why you should choose me. On the next page, we go into testimonials, and these are the pretend people who received my fake help. And it's totally believable, totally realistic. Trust me. Last page is the contact us, ready to find out more. So this is a little widget where you can put in all your information and just shoot me a quick email, and I'll get back to you. So that's it for the website. Now, as far as improvements, yes, there are some improvements I would make. I would have real testimonials if I went live with this website. For the Why Choose Us, I would hire somebody to write stuff that just sounds more professional and be more appealing. And I'd probably have the actual services offered written by a professional as well. I'd probably do a little bit of changes to some of the visuals of the website. The color thing, color scheme is pretty simple. As far as I can tell, everything sort of flows together. Nothing to me is really glaring. But anyways, thank you for taking the time to listen to and watch my screencast, and I look forward to your input. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful evening.